Good, but switch is not reliable. Sound is very loud. ... Very good quality. Good product and amazing performance. Recommend for emergency situations. Okay. Very nice product. The design is sleek and very lightweight product. The alarm sound is deafening hard and is sure to panic the assaulter. ... A must buy for all. ... It must be given as gifts to all the lady members in the family. ... Installation instructions were not given along with it. Sound of alarm is very high. Just this product description. Thanks for this product. It's very useful for women as defense. The sound is very loud, which makes this product useful. Its sound is very loud, easy to use and good-looking product. Can also be used as a keyring. This is the best product to give to your child for safety purpose. The device is annoyingly loud and its sound is definitely loud enough to get attention, even in traffic areas. Click link in description for more reviews.